Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find a networking buddy. We can all agree that most people would rather stay home than walk into a room full of strangers under the guise of networking. But having a networking buddy can alleviate this anxiety as well as have many other benefits. A networking buddy will attend events with you, work the room with you, introduce you to the right people, act as a home base for when you need a break at an event, and most of all, keep you accountable. So let's go ahead and discover how you can find your networking buddy. In order to begin, make sure you are logged in. You can do that in the top right corner of the website. Once logged in, scroll over to the drop-down menu under your profile icon and select Buddies. This will take you to the page where you get to set up your buddy preferences and manage your existing buddies. There are two ways to connect with a buddy. Let's look at option 1. In the top portion of this page, you're going to get to select the preferences that you would like in a networking buddy. The first thing you get to do is select your time of day. Whether you prefer to network in the morning, noon, afternoon, evening, or have no preferences, you get to select whatever you'd like. Next, choose your location. Would you like to network in your home, work, or once again have no preference? Remember, whichever option you select, we must have your home or work address on file in order to make this particular connection for the criteria. And then you also get to choose gender, female, male, or once again, no preference. Our networking intelligence engine will remember the criteria that you've selected, and every time it finds a match within the system, you will get an email notification of a potential networking buddy. Now let's look at option number 2. As a Networking Passport member, you have the ability to manually send buddy requests to other Networking Passport members. Let me show you how. First, you would navigate towards the Members tab and select that. Once you're on the Members section of the website, you have different options here. You can either scroll and look through members, or you can search somebody by name. Let's just go ahead and scroll for the sake of time. For instance, I know that Anna Lamb happens to be a Passport member. So if we go to her profile, you will see that right here in the member tools, there's a little option that says send buddy request. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and send Anna a buddy request. The request has now been sent. Anna is going to receive an email notification letting her know that Nancy, the profile that we're using here, has sent her a buddy request, and Anna is going to have the option to either accept or deny the request. When you do send somebody a buddy request, here's what their email notification will look like. Once again, they have various options here to accept, view the profile, write a message, or reject. Once you start sending and accepting buddy requests, you'll notice that you have a new option at the top of every event. It says join the private discussion. This option allows you to have private discussions with your buddies about any event, and this will allow you to decide when and where you might want to meet up, or if you have any other concerns about attending together. So here's an example. Here's the private discussion I'm having with my buddies about this particular event. You'll also notice that you have a few more features on the buddies page once you start having buddies. We do hope that you enjoyed this part of the Networking Passport, and as always, happy networking!